Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. I'm a familiar setting where they call the interview Odegaard. So Baba can they explain the things where they go on for Arsenal. So Odegaard can talk say all of them will be players. They already know say this Mikel Arteta method say you go work. Because last season, as small it remain, they forget that Champions League top slot. Because some people they always criticize Arteta and say, why do you like doing the same thing and expecting different results? But the players, they get that belief, they trust the process. They don't say this thing with the manager, they always tell us, they always manifest. When the guy can give examples, say for instance, sometimes for the team talk, like for dressing room before a match, Arteta will come outside, tell them something, say, see this. It will happen inside the match. Either maybe the team where we now want play go use long ball against you now, or this player now here ain't going to go like this, all those and all those things. It will always come to pass. Now what they got the talk. So most times, and Arteta also gets a way of reinventing the wheel. They do in team talk in a different. Sometimes if you don't use light bulb, just do your own team talk. You know what those kinds of like you know how to motivate players, know how to use something like that. Ivan Toney on when put that Ivan Toney tweet say you see what you see, you see what you wrote there, nice kick about the boys, all those kinds of, and I know say that Chelsea own self you could use that Aubameyang commercial say you see what they are saying, they are ready guys. So you have to be more ready. So you know how to do all those things to make sure say everybody they hyped up, everybody they super motivated. So that is why as they do for first now, a lot of them will be players. They're not really they surprised because then they see what the manager they do for the training every day and what they tell them, it will always come to pass. So it's not a surprise. Away from that, so I'm happy to tell you guys that Babasato is still in the hospital. The boy is stabilized. It's getting better because me I ain't talk yesterday, so it's getting better. So for all those where they ask, say how Babasato body I ain't day, it's getting better. I will just continue to pray to God. May God give him quick recovery because we miss him out here in the field. So make him do quick, may he come back, come join us. So Rhys Nelson himself don't come outside call the talk say Arsenal don't transform this season because himself notice and because before he go out on loan to Feyenoord and other places where he don't go, say he know how the Arsenal team, how the Arsenal dressing room they very toxic all those days of Aubameyang and co. But now they say he don't come back, he don't they experience a different Arsenal like everywhere just the sweet, everybody love one another, they are playing for each other, like the understanding is top notch you get, and the belief this season in short, Baba they talk say the atmosphere is alive this season. Whether they talk about the fans, whether they talk about the staff, whether they talk about the players, everybody that has something to do with the club is super hyped up and excited that this could be our season. So more just keep hope alive. You get at the end of 38 games, we will know where we go end. I mean, I just be optimistic. Say after this season, we will sing Champions League anthem. I just get that belief. We just the watch out. So at the same time, AK Joshua, one of our senior man for this our community, don't come and say, Sachuk, send me your answer. Let me bless you, man. So Baba can send me 5k yesterday. Say me can use them. Don't just appreciate the effort they do, me and the team, you get. So we say anyway we take money to bless us, may God replenish his pocket in Jesus' name and inshallah. So we're going to look for more ways, more creative ways to upgrade our show and our community. So nobody Oga AK Joshua, even Right Ahmed said send me 10k. So Baba said now footballer for Germany, just raising me yesterday, we just talk one or to say that you send me your answer. I need to appreciate what you guys are doing. So we self we thank him. I would say in football career self will go up there. And anyway they see money to bless us, may God replenish his pockets in Jesus' name and inshallah. And you got one more person self we say go bless us. Oga Lucky, we say him be Arsenal landlord, he carry Arsenal, but even in company name self now Lucky Arsenal. The guy know they take Arsenal play. So Baba send me 7k self, say make I use that to support the ministry they go. So we say all these people don't send us money, may God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name and inshallah. And for those who notice, we'll try to go live yesterday, we could test our phone. And me I dey hear the caller with the call, but the audience don't gonna hear the caller. So I can go check the manual where I can see that me even do mistake. You get one device where I go buy again. There's a call split and audio split at 3.5 mm, male to 2 female. Now I go use so that the audience go hear. Because me I dey hear the caller they hear me. But the audience waiting for the live, they're not going to hear the caller, but they hear me. You get. So according to the manual, I'm supposed to use that splitter to split the audio. As I don't know, I don't feel the splitter will be complicated for some people, but I don't understand how it will be. So I don't already order the splitter from Jumia. So on the 23, 24, it go enter, they go come deliver them. So once it come, I go set them up. Something I know first for yesterday. So that mean for my part, the error they get, I don't get the complete too, because that one I don't follow the device come. So I don't say if I want me the audience, they hear the caller, that's by that one. So I don't order them. So when they come, we'll try them again. My Ramsdale self don't come outside. I call talk about Bukayo Saka and the Euro and in penalty. So Baba can talk say that penalty where Saka missed get. Say it made him stronger. It made him a better person and a better player. Say now the guy they fearless. For us and they take penalty now, irrespective of the occasion, irrespective of the stage, now they take penalty. So in the talk say anytime we them bring penalty again for maybe World Cup, maybe England get anything to do with penalty, so Saka will still step up. To conquer those demons at the biggest stage of world football. So they go try to conquer those demons. So well, we just see my own be say make them no go get injury. Now be my own prayer. All our contingents ready for the World Cup, go there, represent us well, play well, and don't come back injured. That's my prayer for you. Again, look at the Mazio. Don't come outside and talk say Arsenal go host Juventus for December 17, and it has been confirmed the match is going to take place so that we will keep ourselves match fit, which means we don't get 3 matches now. We don't confirm. Arsenal will play Lyon, I think that's December 8th. Arsenal will play AC Milan December 13. Then that one for Dubai Cup. Then Arsenal will come play this Juventus for December 17. Then by 20 something we will play West Ham. By then all the boys will don't come back. Depending on where their country ends, some people country if you go enter final. But all I know is that the boys will not come back because it is quite close to December 26th, because now 26 now we'll play West Ham. So we need everybody into the dressing room, training and fit, understanding the philosophy of the team and knowing where we stop so that we'll kick off from that place. We no longer play anyhow. Make everybody they super fit. I go. Our Daily Express don't come and say let us know say Arsenal they interested in signing Toulouse attacking midfielder where they call Tares Chaubi. And this guy they play very well. According to what they talk, they say they play like Mahrez. That's why Arsenal, the reason I'm saying they would like to sign him. Me I never watch him play. After this broadcast, I'll go check it too. I see how the guy they play. You say now, I'm not forgetting we don't they enter January. So you'll be hearing that Arsenal is interested. Arsenal is linked. It did normal because we are a top club now. You get many players don't they see the future. They say Arsenal is on their way to Champions League, and anybody will join us now, go help us achieve that Champions League. Don't create history with Arsenal. So many people would like to join. That's why Ronaldo said the wine us now, say one would like to join so that he will make history. Not this time maybe 20 years on win league. So imagine Ronaldo joining us. Like the debate still goes on. We'll still get this debate proper because some people have the opinion say Cristiano Ronaldo coming to Arsenal for 6 months is going to be advantageous, irrespective of his ego. Irrespective of somebody's ego, as long as he delivers the goods, we're not going to forgive him. The reason we stayed with Aubameyang for so long was because the guy they score. I think they score plenty, so if they forgive some of in egos and other things. But as he can't stop to the score, constantly give us ego problem. What's happen now? Find a square root. So if Ronaldo can come and be giving us ego, no wala, when they score 20 goals per season, score 25 goals, tell me why you won't forgive him. Now my own opinion, I just put them out there, so let me know what you think. All the guys said don't come outside, come talk for media set to say almost saying make like think would like to play with Henry, saying for like play with them of those days at least, it will make sense. So they're going to give them some kind mad assist, all those kind of Henry, they be all those kind of right, people be saying they need to take IC post, if you give them one chance, they don't bust net to get. So as a playmaker, when they play behind those kind of players, you go dey joyful, you go dey happy to dey play there, to dey give them assist. Imagine the kind of relationship wey Kevin De Bruyne and Erling Haaland get. Kevin De Bruyne doesn't even create 10 chances for Haaland. At least Haaland will score more than 5 because Haaland dey take IC net get. He don't know the whole dimension when he go wipe am and he go enter. So that's why everybody talks say almost safe to say if it to roll back the hands of time, so we just go back in the early days, make us Wenger sign up, so I go play with the Henry. About Charlie Patino don't talk say don't they back at work. Baba dey for London Coney, they for gym, they pump iron, you get. If you see Charlie Patino now, Baba don't muzzle up, don't get muscle mass. Now the same thing will they ask Fabio Vieira to do bulk up, you get bulk up, let people know that you know come here come play, make you bulk up, make you come to represent us very very well, because EPL, even though they play for Blackpool, I don't know that place they very very physical, but at the end of the day, they prepare them up to come play for the EPL. So you can't be coming to the EPL and be a leg player. No, you have to be physically fit. Arsenal Chiefs, they're very very confident over Saka new contract. They talk they're confident say Saka will agree a new contract. In fact, as a matter of fact, they don't even tell their commercial partners say Saka they close to agreeing a contract. Say now very very soonest they go agree the deal. And from what they hear, from those who don't get a sneak peek at the deal, it's also the salary they very very close to £200,000 per week. We don't know how much it is exact, but it is close to £200,000 per week, and it is coming from like maybe that 40 or £50,000 per week where they pay the guy presently now. So they won't give him a bumper crown like times 3 of it in the end, like an upgrade, because this guy is an integral member of Arsenal squad. You get it is very very important for the guy and for the family. Make them just upgrade in status, so you know bad. Arsenal don't promote Edu Gaspar to the post of football director. Edu Gaspar initially was our technical director, but now he's not the football director. Even if Arsenal no get football director before, this is the first time. That was why people like Santi Cazorla, they talk to them, would like to come back to Arsenal, can't take the football director role or coaching assistant. Me say, I can't the one that say, why you want to take football director? I can't the team say Edu Gaspar a football director, and don't forget he's a technical director. So now the way the hierarchy can be now, I tell that the manager, Edu Gaspar now the football director, so then go the liars with all those Mertesacker them. Then Richard Garlick is the head of football operations. May you understand everybody, division of labor and their job description. So that's how it is. It's been Van der Sar where they work for Ajax. Bless name their sporting director self, I don't even know. So Baba don't come outside, can they explain the reason we make Arsenal no sign Lisandro Martinez. So you can talk say now Arsenal confess price, but Arsenal give them a valuation that is below par, below what they go fee accept. So as they see the offer, tell them say, okay, instead of accepting your offer, we will prefer the player to still stay with us again. So as they see the dilly-dally with Arsenal before Manchester United come, blew everybody out of the waters, and they couldn't say no because the offer was something you could not resist, irresistible offer again. That was why they accepted the deal with Manchester United and signed and sold Lisandro Martinez to them. Man, they used the guy as centre back. Arsenal initially want him as a cover for Kylian Tierney. So as the guy can't go there, we can't go carry our Zinchenko. Always believe in your soul. As Zinchenko we can't use now, and we're enjoying everything. Shakhtar Donetsk chief, say they call Nicolini, don't come as I can explain, say it is the right time to contact the club where Michalo Mudra they talk say he would like to sign for. So they would like to contact the club, contact Michalo and contact Michalo agents. But then start a negotiation, because Michalo don't come outside for public domain, tell everybody the club would like to sign for. So it is no longer a secret. So even if it is a secret, it is an open secret to get. Everybody know. So Baba Conto say, okay, make Michalo leave the talk for an agent. Nobody going to put mouth and nobody going to talk say the 100 million euros won't say you say too much. Oh God, day or day now, let your agent talk your talk for you. Get me count that because Michalo the para say nobody go buy him for that 100 million euros, because then they feel say since Manchester United bought Anthony for 100 million euros, which is about 85 million pounds, they themselves go fit sell Mikalo, because Mikalo is better than Anthony, better than every other person. Like when we talk about Mikalo, we put them in the pedigree, the pedestal where them put people like Mbappe and Vinicius Junior. Now waiting all those kind of Nicolini, they think you get. So Baba they talk say make him just calm down, make them with an agent and the club when they talk about, make them discuss. Say at the end of the discussion they will try to negotiate. And when they finish negotiation, they will see what comes out of it. And also all this pressure now because Mikalo don't talk plenty things for that interview we do with the Vlad Sedan, with Zinchenko wife, and the interview don't go viral because Baba talk say if he no come out for the summer for Shakhtar Donetsk, say no go dey very very happy, and themselves no go like to keep an unhappy player in their ranks because the guy want advance in your own career. I guess you know saying life for Ukraine wants to go to the best league in the world and meet the best team in the world right now, which is Arsenal. So no, this has everything they go. So if you know watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And game out.